Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this quick video, I will show you how to send money on Cash App without bank account. So you need to watch this video till the end to do it. So if you want to send money on Cash App without linking a bank account, you can use a debit card, a cash balance, or by linking a credit card. Here's how this method works. First is using a Cash App balance. So if you have money in Cash App balance, you can open up the Cash App, enter the amount you want to send, and then click on the tab, click on the pay option. After this, you have to enter the recipient cash tag, their phone number or email. You can also add a note if you want, and then click on pay. So once you do that, your money will be transferred. So this will use your Cash App balance. Now second option is using a debit card. You can open up your Cash App, click on profile icon or the banking tab, and then there will be option of add bank or the link debit card. So you can click on that and enter your debit card information. Once your debit card has been linked, you can send money as usual by selecting your debit card as a payment method. Now the third method you can use is a credit card. So just link your debit card just as you linked your debit credit just as you link your debit card, link your credit card this way also. You can go to your profile and then click on add new credit card, enter your card details, and then you can use this method to transfer money. You need to note that Cash App charges a 3% fee for sending money with credit card. So that is how you can transfer money on Cash App without bank account. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.